First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Taylor, MI, where neighborhoods are full of character and pride of ownership runs deep, your front door plays a bigger role than you might think. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can drag down the entire look of your home. On the flip side, installing a new replacement door is one of the simplest and most impactful ways to instantly boost curb appeal. Your front door is often the first thing guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. It sets the tone before anyone steps inside. If your door has peeling paint, warped panels, drafts, or outdated hardware, it can make even a well-maintained home feel tired. A new replacement door gives your exterior a fresh focal point, creating a welcoming and polished look that stands out in the best way. In Taylor, Michigan, homes experience all 4 seasons, sometimes in the same week. Replacement doors are designed with durability in mind, using materials that hold up against temperature changes, moisture, and wind. Modern fiberglass and steel doors maintain their appearance year after year without cracking, rotting, or warping. That means your curb appeal doesn't fade after just one harsh winter or humid summer. Style is another major advantage of upgrading your doors. Today's replacement doors come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and finishes that complement the architectural styles found throughout Taylor. Whether your home leans traditional, modern, or somewhere in between, you can choose a door that enhances its personality. Decorative glass inserts, sleek panels, bold colors, or classic wood grain finishes all allow you to customize your entrance and make it feel truly yours. Replacing your front or entry door also improves visual balance. A properly sized, professionally installed door fits perfectly within the frame, eliminating uneven gaps or misalignment that can make an entryway look off. Clean lines and updated trim instantly make your home look newer and more cared for, even if no other exterior changes are made. Beyond looks, new replacement doors also add value that buyers notice. If you're thinking about selling your Taylor home in the future, curb appeal can directly influence how quickly your home attracts interest. A modern, secure, and visually appealing door signals that the home has been well maintained. Many buyers see a new door as one less project they'll have to tackle, which can make your home more desirable and competitive. Lighting plays a role too. Doors with glass panels, whether clear, frosted, or decorative, allow natural light to flow into your entryway. This brightens the interior while adding elegance to the exterior. From the street, glass accents add depth and visual interest, making your home feel more open and inviting. Security improvements also contribute to peace of mind and curb appeal. New doors often feature stronger frames, modern locking systems, and reinforced cores. While visitors may not see these upgrades directly, the solid feel and quality craftsmanship are noticeable the moment someone approaches or opens the door. Ultimately, replacing your doors is an investment that delivers immediate visual impact and long-term benefits. In Taylor, MI, where homeowners take pride in their properties, a new replacement door can completely transform the look of your home without the time or cost of a full exterior renovation. If your door no longer reflects the care you put into your home, upgrading it may be the perfect next step. A beautiful new door doesn't just welcome guests, it welcomes you home every single day.